Hello and welcome to this edition of Ask Andy. In this video we're going to look at the educational tools that are available to use inside your workbooks when you're in play mode in Contribute Cloud. So I've gone ahead and I've started a session already, and you'll see over on the right hand side here I've actually got a blue tab which is my educational tools. And these tools are ordered into different categories. So I've got general here, I've got math, science, so it's kind of subject specific tools that are available to use over my workbooks. So I'm not going to go through all of the different tools here, I'm just going to pull a few up as examples. So here I have a calculator, so I click on the calculator there, my calculator floats around and I can of course make use of the calculator on screen. If I wanted to switch to a scientific, I can just click that button there and that will convert into a scientific calculator. To get rid of the tools, I just click on the X there and it disappears. If I move down and maybe in science, I'll choose the periodic table. I can resize my content just by dragging it across here. And there we go, nice full screen. And if I click on to search the different metals, you can see I can click and they pop out. Very, very simple, easy to use periodic table. Now there's lots and lots of different tools inside of the software that you can use. All of them float over your workbook when you're in play mode, and if you're in collaboration mode, your students can actually use them as well. So if you open a calculator, it opens for the student at the same time. Really, really simple. So please do go ahead and explore those educational tools in your own time. If you found this video useful, please do like, share and comment, and please, you can watch the next video by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching.